Have you ever wondered how Switzerland cheese is made? It all begins with the cows, grazing on the lush alpine meadows, feasting on a diverse mix of grasses, herbs, and flowers. This rich diet lends the milk its unique flavor, a distinct characteristic of Swiss cheese. The milk, once collected, is heated gently and combined with a starter culture and rennet. The addition of these elements starts the process of turning the liquid milk into a solid mass. This mass is then cut into small pieces, allowing the whey to separate from the curds. The curds are heated, stirred, and eventually pressed into molds, shaping our beloved cheese. The cheese isn't ready just yet, though. It's taken to a cool, humid aging room where it's left to mature for several months, even years. This aging process allows the cheese to develop its unique flavors and textures. The time it takes to make these cheeses is a testament to the value and tradition of Swiss cheesemaking. And that's how Switzerland's world-renowned cheese is made. Now let's move on to a significant cultural event. Have you heard about the Alpabzug festival, a colorful Swiss tradition that takes place every autumn? This vibrant event is an integral part of Swiss culture, deeply rooted in the country's cheesemaking tradition. The Alpabzug festival, also known as the descent from the alpine pastures, marks a significant transition in the Swiss farming calendar. As the cooler months approach, the cows are brought down from the high-altitude alpine pastures, where they've spent the summer, to the warmer, low-lying valleys. This annual migration is not just practical, but has evolved into a grand celebration, with locals and tourists alike joining in the festivities. The cows, the stars of the show, are beautifully adorned with flowers, ribbons, and bells. The larger the bell, the more prestigious the cow, as these bells are a symbol of the summer's successful grazing. The procession is indeed a sight to behold, a parade of colors and sounds embodying the spirit of Swiss rural life. But the Alpabzug festival is more than just a grand parade. It's also a celebration of Swiss cheese. The summer grazing in the alpine pastures gives the milk and consequently the cheese a unique flavor that's highly prized. The end of the Alpabzug marks the beginning of the cheese-making season, a time when the Swiss culinary magic comes to life. The Alpabzug festival is not just about the cows and the cheese, but a celebration of Swiss culture and tradition. It's a testament to the country's deep respect for nature and its commitment to preserving its rich cultural heritage. But what does all this mean for the Swiss people, one might wonder? The making of cheese and the Alpabzug festival are not just processes or events. They are woven into the very fabric of Swiss culture. The cheese, with its intricate flavors and textures, is a testament to the Swiss people's dedication to craftsmanship. It's more than just dairy. It's a symbol of the skill, precision, and time-honored techniques passed down through generations. A slice of Swiss cheese is a slice of their heritage. The Alpabzug festival, on the other hand, embodies the celebration of seasonal change and agricultural traditions. It's a time-honored event that echoes the rhythm of life in the Swiss Alps, bringing communities together in anticipation of the winter months. These traditions are a testament to the Swiss people's respect for nature, their animals, and the changing seasons. So next time you enjoy a slice of Swiss cheese, remember the rich culture and tradition that it represents. Isn't it fascinating to learn about the traditions and processes behind everyday things? We've dipped our toes into the intricate world of Swiss cheesemaking, a meticulous process shaped by seasons and time. We've also discovered the vibrant Alpabzug festival, a celebration of the end of summer, signifying the cow's descent from the alpine pastures. We hope you enjoyed this journey into Swiss culture and cheesemaking. For more interesting videos, subscribe to our channel. This is interesting.